best LG TVs in 2024 are top picks. When on the hunt for a TV, your choice will depend on factors such as the size that suits your lounge, the price that fits your budget, and whether you prefer a smart TV or an ordinary one. Many companies, such as Samsung, Roku, and TCL, manufacture TVs that vary in quality, pricing, and display screens. Similarly, LG, a leading tech giant, offers a wide range of televisions that deliver a sleek and powerful picture performance. However, due to the variety, it can be difficult to choose which one to buy from the latest models. Therefore, we've compiled a list of the best LG OLED TVs available. LG G3 OLED. The LG G3 OLED is one of the best TVs that LG offers and is available in various screen sizes, ranging from 55, 65, 77 to 83 inches. It comes equipped with a 120Hz refresh rate, ALLM, and VRR. It also offers the Brightness Booster Max display, a feature that LG claims can produce up to 70% brighter images. However, it doesn't have HDR10 Plus support and has a limited HDR color range. The 55-inch model is available for $1,800. LG C3 OLED. The LG C3 OLED was the second best LED TV of 2023. It offers incredible picture quality, and while it may lack in some areas like sound and brightness, its affordability, gaming potential, and well-rounded specs make it one of the most ideal displays on the market. Featuring 120Hz refresh rate and 4 HDMI ports, it's available in different screen sizes such as 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, and 83 inches. LG B3 OLED. The LG B3 OLED offers exceptional value at a strong price point. The 55-inch OLED TV is available for $1,200. Despite the low price, the LG B3 OLED offers an incredible range of colors and an easy-to-use web OS. LG C4 OLED. LG C4 OLED is the newest OLED TV in LG's lineup, offering good picture quality, a web OS smart platform, and a strong gaming feature set. It also features 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. However, it is a bit pricey compared to the features it offers. LG QNED Mini LED 99 series. The LG QNED Mini LED 99 series is LG's top 8K QNED TV, available in an 88-inch screen size. It offers excellent brightness, color reproduction, and very good sound quality. It has a respectable 120Hz refresh rate and 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs. The starting price is $2,499, though it lacks fundamental gaming necessities.